Hello friends, in today's video we will learn about the use of articles. In English grammar there are two types of articles. One is the definite article and the other one is the indefinite articles. A and N, they are the indefinite articles and the is the definite article. Now let us see when an article A to be used and when an article N to be used. Article A to be used only before words which are starting with consonants. Examples I've given: a boy, b sound; a cat, k sound; a fish, f sound; a monkey, m sound. All these are consonants. I've taught you this in my previous video. An article N to be used only before vowels. See these examples: an apple, a sound; an apple, a sound; an orange, o sound; an umbrella, when you are pronouncing it as umbrella, so a sound. An article the can be used before consonants as well as before vowels. See these examples. The man took the umbrella from the store. Here an umbrella, here an umbrella, whereas here I have written the umbrella. It can be used before a vowel sound as well as the can be used here also as well as before a vowel sound. So the man took the umbrella from the store. Here the, because we are referring to that particular umbrella which the man took from the store. Second sentence, you see, the cat was mewing loudly. Here the cat, not a cat. A cat meaning any cat. Here the cat. Here a cat, a is used before, a cat is used before a consonant sound. Here the cat is because we are referring to that particular cat which was crying loudly and which I saw. The cat was mewing loudly. Now let us learn the rules which you will have to know while you are making use of articles A and N. Okay, rule 1, what it says: article A to be used only before a consonant. Example you see, a book, a table, a chair, a goat. Okay, when else can an article A to be used? It is to be used with words starting with U and having a U sound. Example, a university, not university but university. U is a consonant, so A is used here. Then a European, again Y sound, not a European, okay, but European. Y is again a consonant, so we have used A here. Then article A to be used before O having W sound for it. Example, you see, a one-eyed man. W. O is having W sound. One-eyed man. W sound. Such a one. Again W sound. So article A to be used for W sound. Now rule 2, we will study when an article N to be used. We have seen here when an article A to be used. Now let us see when an article N to be used. Rule no, number 1, it is to be used before a vowel. Which are vowels? A, E, I, O, U, and each letter A, E, I, O, U, each letter has got different pronunciation which we have already learnt. See these examples. Article N is used before a vowel, and S, A sound, A is a vowel, and honest man. Here why N is because in this word, while we are pronouncing it, H remains silent, and this word is pronounced as honest, O sound. It is pronounced as honest, O sound. We get O sound, and H remains silent. So we are not pronouncing it as honest but honest. So an article N to be used before it. Next example, an egg. A, egg, A sound. So an article N to be used. A is a vowel. Next example is an umbrella. A sound. A is a vowel, an umbrella. And elephant. A. Again, E has got A sound. A is a vowel. So article N to be used before it. Now when else can an article N to be used is before silent H. This I have already explained you. Say example N R. Here in this word also, just like here, while we are saying honest, H remains silent. In the same way here in this word, when we are pronouncing this word, H remains silent. And R sound, here I have written say R, not har but R. So R is a vowel sound. So we are using an article N before it. Then when else can an article N to be used is before words with a consonant, beginning with a consonant but having a vowel sound for it. See these examples. NMA. M is a consonant letter, but when we are pronouncing it, we are pronouncing it as A. A is a vowel, so article N to be used, not A, but not M sound. Ma A, we don't say it Ma A, but MA. So an article N to be used here. Second example, N LLB, A sound. A is a vowel, so article N to be used, not L. L, we don't say L, B, but LLB. So A sound, an article. Then N SDM, again here also A sound, so article N to be used. This is a consonant S, so, but we don't say, we don't get so sound here, but A sound, and therefore an article N to be used before it. Okay. Now let us see rule 3, which tells us when an article A or N to be used. Articles A or N are to be used only before singular nouns, not plural but singular nouns which are countables and which you are referring for the first time. Points out, it does not point out or represents any particular person or thing. See this example. A horse is an animal. A horse meaning any horse. I am not referring to any particular horse here, but any horse is an animal. Okay. A cat can catch a mouse. Here a cat, because any cat, I am not referring to any particular cat, but this sentence is in general. Any cat can catch a mouse. So article A to be used before it. Then article A is used before certain numerical expressions. Numerical expressions such as a dozen. If you want to tell a dozen meaning 1 dozen. 1. A meaning 1. Okay. Then half a dozen, half of 1 dozen. Then a kilo of rice. A kilo. A I've written, I've used an article A because I'm referring to 1 kilo of rice. A meaning 1. Okay. Countable 1 kilo. Singular. Not kilos but 1 kilo. In expressions, when an article A or N to be used, in expressions of price, when you are referring, when else an article A or N to be used is before expressions of price, speed, ratio, etc. See these examples. A rupee price. A rupee meaning 1 rupee. Then 50 miles an hour. A car can travel 50 miles an hour. N meaning 1 hour. Okay. Article N is used for indicating 1 hour. Then an article A is used before words like few, countable nouns, and little before words like few. Examples: I have a few friends. Few meaning in small number. Few meaning here in small number. Therefore, I have used a few. A few meaning in small number. I have a little milk. I have a little. A little meaning in a small quantity. So article A to be used before words like few, little, and before countable nouns. Friends, countable, a little milk. Okay. Here little word is used, and therefore we have used an article A to show that in a small quantity, in a small amount. Can an article A to be used is before in exclamations before singular countable nouns. Nouns which are countables, which are singular. See these examples. What a charming girl. A charming girl. Exclamations meaning you are expressing your emotions, feelings. Emotions can be that of surprise one, shocked one, your happiness, your sadness. Okay. What is charming girl? A because girl. If there were this noun was in plural girls, you cannot use a here. But remember that in order to exclaim, in order to express your emotions, you are using a before these adjectives. N before singular nouns. Noun should be in singular. And second example, what a good idea. Not if it were ideas, you cannot use a here. Okay. So what a good idea. You are exclaiming. Such a pity. You are feeling pity and you are expressing your pity. Such a pity. Pity, not pities, but pity. A article. Okay, article A is used here. So this is all about the rules which you will have to remember. Now this is an exercise for you all. You will have to fill these sentences with the help of an appropriate article. This is all about today's video. If you have liked my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it.